Your friendly robot Giga welcomes you to the channel. Hey tech explorers, welcome to another exciting journey into the world of technology. Have you ever used a funny filter on your photos or asked your phone to play your favorite song? Maybe you have even asked it for directions or to set a reminder for you. If so, you are using AI and you probably don't even know about it. These little tasks are powered by complex algorithms designed to make your life easier. AI is quietly working behind the scenes, making our everyday apps smarter and more fun. From suggesting the next song on your playlist to enhancing your photos, AI is everywhere. It's like having a tiny genius in your pocket. This genius learns from your habits and preferences, constantly improving to serve you better. Ready to uncover the secrets of AI and how it's changing the way we use apps? Let's dive in. We will explore how AI is integrated into your favorite apps and what the future holds for this incredible technology. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Don't let the big words scare you. It simply means we are teaching computers to think and learn like us. Imagine teaching your computer to recognize your cat in a photo or understand what you mean when you say play some upbeat music. That's what AI is all about. Pretty cool, right? Now, where does AI fit into those apps you use every day? Everywhere. AI is busy making your apps smarter and more helpful. It's the magic behind those personalized music recommendations. The reason your virtual assistant knows your schedule and how your phone can translate languages in real time. Let's find out together how AI is working. It's magic. Ever used an app to touch up a photo or add a cool filter? That's AI at work. These apps use complex algorithms to understand the elements in your photos and make them look their best. Whether it's smoothing out the skins or enhancing colors or adding artistic effects, AI is behind the magic. AI can analyze your photos and automatically improve them. It can detect faces, recognize objects, and even understand the context of the image to make intelligent judgments. This means you get professional quality edits with just a few taps. It can adjust brightness, fix blurry spots, and even add fun effects. Imagine turning a dull, underexposed photo into a vibrant masterpiece or transforming a blurry spot into a crisp, clear image. The possibilities are endless. Some apps even use AI to colorize black and white photos, bringing a new dimension to your old memories. This technology can analyze the shades of gray and predict the most likely colors, giving a fresh, lifelike appearance to historical photos, bringing your old memories back to life. Imagine seeing your grandparents' wedding photos in full color for the first time. It's like stepping back in time with a modern twist. Who knew editing photos would be so easy and fun thanks to AI? With these tools, anyone can become a photo editing pro, creating stunning images to share with friends and family. So next time you edit a photo, remember AI is your creative partner. That's just a taste of how AI is changing the way we use apps every day, from recommending new music to perfectly matches our moods and preferences to helping us edit photos like pros. AI is revolutionizing our creative processes. Imagine being able to enhance your photos with just a few clicks, making them look professional without needing years of experience. AI is making our lives easier and more fun, whether it's through smart home devices that learn our routines and preferences or virtual assistants that help us manage our daily tasks. Ready for another fun tech adventure? The world of AI is constantly evolving, bringing new and exciting innovations that can enhance our lives in ways we never imagined. From smart gadgets to advanced software, there's always something new to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. By staying connected, you will be the first to know about the latest trends and updates in the world of AI. So they can join the AI adventure too. Let's continue to explore and embrace the incredible possibility that AI has to offer. The journey is just just the beginning, and there's so much more to discover.